Hallo Leute, wie geht's? Und how are you people? So in this series, I'll teach you grammar from German language, which is from A1 level, and I'm also presently a student, and I'm also learning this language, and I'll try to share my knowledge with you that I have from this language. I have gained from this language. So as you know, German is very important for any language. It's a building block of the language. So, without wasting any time, we are starting with our first chapter, which is article. Das Artikel. Okay, das Artikel. Okay, so das Article or what we call gender. Das Article or gender. So, I'll make it bigger. Das Article or gender. So what is article? What is this das? What is this das? Article, it's okay. Article, gender, gender. What is this das? This das is article of this noun. Okay, this word. So I'll explain you with a definition, a very basic, simple definition. Although what we usually learn from a definition. Okay, so here's the definition. So article is a qualifying or referring word like an adjective which quantities 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 or refer to a noun. So why I'm making this noun so in capital letters? Because I want to highlight this thing now. The important thing is the role this article play with this noun only. So this contains like four article. First is there, which is masculine, masculine. Then we have be, which is feminine, feminine. Then we have das, which is neutral. Then we have fourth one is the, again plural. Okay, plural. Yeah. So we have these four articles with us, and in the whole German language only these are the articles. You can see the modification of these articles, and there are many more articles, but these are the basic articles, the basic you should know that from this the words, the help of the most of the nouns are using these articles. So there, masculine, the feminine, das neutral, the plural. Okay, so it now back to the definition. Article is a qualifying or referring word like an adjective which quantifies or refers to a noun. What this means is article is something which refers to a noun, which helps us to recognize a noun in a given sentence. Okay, sometimes there's a sentence in German language and you have to find out which is the noun. So you can easily find out with the help of article. you can easily find out the gender of the article. This gender or article, these are the very important things which play a great role in German language. Without these articles, you could not go further. You must have to learn them. Like if you learn a new word, you must have to learn this thing. Every noun, every word has its own specific article. I'll show you some example. Zum Beispiel. What is this Zum Beispiel? Zum Beispiel means, for example, der Mann, okay, die Frau, das Auto. These are some basic examples. Okay. So what is this? Der, die, das. These are articles. What is this? Mann, Frau, Auto. These are nouns. Okay. So one thing to remember, it refers to a noun and it quantifies a noun. For example, this is masculine, this is feminine, this is neutral. Das Auto means the car. Like we have heard this thing in the advertisement, Volkswagen advertisement, is that they at the end they usually say like Das Auto. So what is this Das Auto? Das Auto means a car. The car. Okay. So how you will learn this thing? Like you have to learn, and sometimes you will learn with the language. As you process with the language, as you move on with the language, you do not force your brain to remember these things. You'll you will habitual with this thing. Like, but remember that at the beginning you must learn any new word with their own specific article, any new noun with their own specific article, any new noun. This, for example, man. It's man. Don't remember man, just man. Der Mann, man. Die Frau, lady. Das Auto, car. Use article, use noun, always. Okay, article plus noun. Remember this thing. So next, the types of articles. The types of articles. Articles. Okay. Now we look at the type of articles. Types of articles. I'll make it bigger. Okay. Okay. Types of articles. So there are basically two types of article. First is first is distinct, which is definite article. Then we have undistinct. Indefinite article. Okay. These are the two types of articles: distinct article and undistinct article. So what is the difference between these two articles? Let's see. Distinct article. Distinct article is what we call in English the boy, the car. Okay, these are the distinct article. What this refers to? It refers to more specificity, particularity, fixed. Like it refers to something that is specific, that's known, particular. That this is the thing. I need that car. I need the auto. I need the car. The guy standing behind me, the guy is definite, specific. The guy, we are not confused about that. Is this a series of a guy coming around there and we are just randomly saying a guy was there? It's not like this. The guy, we are very much sure, we are specific with this thing. Okay, so for example, and not the example, what comes in these distinct article. There, the, on, das. These are the distinct article. Okay, then we have unbestimmt Artikel, unbestimmt article, which is a, sorry, a or n, which refers to more, not sure, which refers to not sure, first to, sorry for the sound disturbing. So which refers to not sure, not specific, not particular. It's more of a random. So this is something ein or einen. For example, I met a guy, met a girl. I had a car, which girl, which guy. We do not know. We are not specific about this. So this is the unbestimmt article in which we are not specific about things, which are indefinite, which are not which are indefinite. Like we are not specific. Like we don't know. Is this the thing? Not. Okay. This is bestimmt and unbestimmt article. These are the two articles, type of articles. And there is another one. I surely know that you are being confused. What is this thing? Ein or einen. What is this thing? With later videos, we'll get to know these things. Okay. So just remember, presently, just remember these two things like bestimmt and unbestimmt article. What are the difference? Like it is more specific, it is less specific. Then we have a third category in this, which is negative article. You can easily recognize with this word. You can easily recognize this word like negative is something no, like yes, no. What this thing refers to? What this article refers to? It refers to something which is not present there. It was not there. I was not there. Okay. So a beautiful example for this. Zum Beispiel, for example, ich habe kein Buch. So you probably like being confused about this thing. Like, what is this thing? Ich habe keine Buch. What is this thing? What, I know this is a sentence, but what is this thing? Buch, ich. What is? So these all we will learn in the upcoming series, video series. So just remember for presently like keine, this thing represents negative article, and this whole sentence means like what this whole sentence means. Ich habe keine Buch means I have I have no book. Simple. Ich habe keine Buch. I have no book. Okay, this is negative article. So let's revise once again. What is this article? Article is a qualifying referring word which quantifies or refers to a noun, which tell us more about the noun. So these are in four types, like their, masculine, the feminine, thus neutral, and the plural. Okay, then types of article, distinct and undistinct article. Okay, distinct article, definite article. Undistinct article, indefinite article. Distinct article, the, refers to more specificity, particularity, fixed. We know this thing, we are sure about this thing. There, the, das. These are distinct articles. Then we have undistinct article. A or N refers to not sure, not specific, not particular. Einen, A-1. I had a Shaba ein Buch. Which book? Shaba ein Buch. Which book? We don't know, not specific. Then we have negative article, which represent no, which represent like there's nothing in that place, which represent something which is not present there. So I should have a kind book. I have no book. I have no. So this is everything from this topic. That's article. And if you do not find anything correct or I had done somewhere some mistakes, so please comment me in the comment box, and I'll try to correct this thing because I'm also a student, I'm also learning. So that's done. Auf Wiedersehen. And what is this Auf Wiedersehen? Is Auf Wiedersehen is see you soon. Okay, Auf Wiedersehen, it's a verb. Auf Wiedersehen. Okay, so I hope you find this video informative, and if you find any of the mistake, you can comment me in the comment box. I'll also learn from that thing. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.